Well, hello guys. Oh, my battery's going dead. So I'm just going to talk until it dies. I haven't done a video in a very long time. I haven't been in front of a camera for a really long time. It's been about a year and a half. I've been told by several friends and family that I should make a video, and I agree because I just up and left, and there's a lot of reasons why. I'm going to talk about that in this video so you guys at least know what's going on. I think I owe it to you guys. So yeah, we're gonna dive right in. I stopped filming in 2017 around July, August time, and the person I was with and I'm not with any longer felt like it was hindering our relationship, that I wasn't spending enough time focusing on the relationship I was in, which could be true. And unfortunately, I stopped doing YouTube and doing all that and kind of went into a deep depression because that was kind of my cat. It's kind of like my outlet to get my creative stuff out, doing makeup and hair and things like that. At the same time, I was opening my own business. I was opening my own little salon suite. I was doing my best to get that off the ground, so I had a lot on my plate. So I feel really bad because it's something I really love to do. But there was a lot of stuff that was going on in my relationship, and then obviously my professional life as well. I was leaving beauty brands. I was doing both of those things. God, in February of 2018, so almost a year ago, my ex, who I was with for 4 years, got a job offer to move to Hawaii, which, he's from there. He was born and raised there, so he got to move back with his family. He wanted me to go, but because I just opened my business, it was not logical for me to do so. Because of that, we decided to break up. I stayed here. I am still working on my business. I'm still doing everything that I was doing before, other than YouTube. Obviously, I'm hoping to pick this back up, but I don't know how consistent I'm going to be. So I'm just telling you right now, it's going to be really inconsistent for a while. Him and I are still friends. I still live in the same house, and I still am in the same beauty room. So that's always nice. But, we are no longer together, and we try to remain friends. I still love his family very, very much. I still kind of keep up with him and what he's doing, and I do hope that eventually, we could, have dinner together and it wouldn't be, so weird. So, I've been living here for the last almost a year now, since we broke up. I've been living here for the last year with my roommate, who does hair as well and is amazing. He does a lot of vivid colors, which is really cool. So I've been learning a lot more about pastels and vivid colors and all sorts of good stuff. He moved in May, because my ex hadn't gotten his stuff out of the house. He hadn't moved immediately. In February, he actually ended up moving his stuff in May. So it was kind of on and off from February to May. It was kind of drawn out. Other than that, he moved his stuff out and David moved his stuff in. So, and David's my roommate. So once the summer came, I was drinking a lot. I'm not gonna even be shy about it. I was drinking a lot. I was miserable. I was unhappy. I was gaining weight. Not a fun person to be around. I just got out of a 4-year relationship, and I thought I was gonna get married to him. I thought we were gonna, build a life together, and it didn't work out. And unfortunately, I don't even know how to say this. Unfortunately, it wasn't meant to be. I think we're better friends than we ever were, like life partners, and that's okay. I know that now, and I've learned from it, so that's always a nice, you learn to read the signs. So yeah. So the end of the summer happened, and then September rolls around. It's September 1st of 2018. I got a phone call. I'm really gonna try not to cry. I got a phone call and it was my mom. She usually never called me in the morning, but she called me, and I'm really gonna stop this. I don't want to ugly cry on the internet. Yeah, so she told me my father had passed away. He passed away that morning. They live in Florida, and about 3 hours before, because there were 3 hours difference between Arizona and Florida, he had gone to the ER. They had tried to revive him and it didn't work. What we think it was a blood clot that maybe hit his brain, because he was holding his tablet when my mom found him. He looked like he was sleeping, and it was very peaceful. But it was just so fast. I think the saddest part is that I don't remember the last conversation we had. And it was really hard for me to talk about this. I'm sure I'm gonna get trolls in the comments, but it's hard. And if you've been following me on Instagram, you probably have seen my posts and stuff about it. So if not, at least you know now. So I took the whole year of 2018 off. I did. And it's probably the best thing I ever did, because of the fact that I had so much drama and so much crap going on. I couldn't have done content, like good content and stuff you guys wanted to watch. So anyways, I was in Florida for about a month. All of September I was in Florida. I had taken off work. I moved my clients. I didn't work at all. I just couldn't do it. And I stayed with my mom and took care of everything. And yeah, I did what I had to do. I got back and directly went back into work. So of course I'm still grieving, because of the fact that I haven't really had a chance to like sit down and talk about it. And I mean, I went straight back to work. I dived right in. I had all my clients to make up for that month. It was a lot. It was a lot to deal with. And then of course the holiday and everything. So needless to say, I'm gonna try my best to put out some content. I don't know, first of all, how good it's gonna be. I don't know how often. I don't know if there's gonna be a schedule eventually. I don't know anything. I just am trying my best to ease myself back into YouTube, because a lot of people are like, what happened to this channel? Does anybody know anything? I've gotten a lot of messages from subscribers, and I feel so bad because it just blew up. My whole life blew up, and dealing with all of this, I know for some people it's not a lot, but for me, it was a lot. And I really hope that you guys understand, and I really appreciate you guys sticking around and all the love and support I got from friends and family over this last year. You guys have no idea how much that means to me. I just wanted to give you guys a heads up and let you know what's going on. I love you. I'm not sure when I'll post again, but I will see you when I do. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.